A wise man once said, if you want to get stuff done, but you haven't got enough time, you need to sleep faster. So welcome to Motor Mornings. Knock knock. Ah, it's for Friday. Oh, and I'm up nice and early this morning because I'm excited about taking the end cap off of that. Woo! I'm just very, very intrigued to see how much damage has been done. What's your favourite knock knock joke? Go on, list it in the descriptions below, in the comments below. What's my favourite knock knock joke? Here we go. Knock knock. Who's there? Big-ish. Big issue. No thank you, I'm fine. Oh dear. Right. So that's what I'm going to do this morning, and you're invited to watch. What are you doing? What are you doing this weekend? That's quite important, being Friday, isn't it? And what am I watching on YouTube? I'm only watching the DJSE, and he's bought himself a van. I do like vans.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon.
Right. Right.
I'm waiting.
Keep waiting.
I'm waiting. Ah. Have you bought that to move Toonie around?
Right. Good evening.
Yeah.
There you are. Watching this. So,
Right, enjoy your
some
Friday.
of the features that Stan currently has. Do you want to demonstrate one of the...
Wow, the doors are automatic.
He's got automatic opening.
Oh,
Rear doors. Now these probably won't be saying.
oh,
because
that's
they're the size of the
amazing.
bumpers. But they'll probably have to go.
There it goes. Whew. I think that's spun, isn't it? Yeah. That's been spinning like a good... Oh, look at that. My goodness. Wow. I'm no expert, but I have a feeling that probably means my crank shot, isn't it? So not only is that probably a new crank, that's probably a new conrod, isn't it? Or conrods, plural. That's a full rebuild job, I'm guessing, but I will ask my engine building mates. Oh dear. Oh well. It is what it is, isn't it? Let's carry on with the DJSE and his new van, which is looking pretty damn awesome, I must admit. And strip this bad boy down.
The reversing camera, obviously the dash cam.
Really long these things.
Really long sun visors, Holly says. There's the control for the subwoofer. Twin horns. Yeah. Handbrake, you ready?
Ooh, cool. No handbrake turns for you then.
That's it on. For the gentleman who owned him previously, that was severely disabled. Hence the ramp, hence the automatic doors. It didn't even have a steering wheel on when my uncle first bought it. It had like skis to steer it with. Big, massive signs with like customer address. The wiring in this thing was unbelievable. It's still unbelievable. It's still got fuse boxes and wires that I dare touch because I'm not sure what they do. It's had a custom flat floor put into it for the wheelchairs to come in, obviously. All the way up to the front, and then it's got lockable things in the floor as well. What else? So then, obviously, my uncle then purchased it. My uncle is a carer for a lady, and she needs wheelchair access, so he purchased it for that reason, so she could take her out.
I bet that was really expensive new, wasn't
it? So that's obviously why he's had it. On everything that's gone on, and just personal things that have happened, lost loved ones and things like that. I think it's important to cherish the moments with your family as much as possible, and I think
nasty crosshatch.
So, to give you a rough idea of what we're planning, so these seats obviously will be back round that way. You can get a bed base that hooks onto both door cards. That's where Holly will be. My son Zach, who is 2, coming up to 3 this year. Maybe something that hooks off the seats.
Ooh. Okay, number 2's. Oh, that's toast as well, isn't it?
Then there will be a rock and roll bed, more or less where the camera is right now.
Rock and roll!
So that will be the seats for the kids while we're driving around, so it'll be one seat that open the doors. So yeah, I think they'll probably end up going as well, and it'll be going back to manual doors. And I think that's more or less it. Well, obviously there'll be a flat floor in here, there'll be curtains up and everything like that. But it is just to get out and enjoy it. That's the whole point. We just want to go away, don't we? We want to park up next to the beach, sleep in the van, and then the kids come run on the beach at 6. Well, my son is getting up about 5 at the moment, so 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, the kids come run on the beach, and we can just have a lovely time. Yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm going to film as much as I can of research. How do you put a Nissan Micro engine in a minute? You don't know. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day.
You too.
Right,
loving the van life. What a great project. Oh dear. I suppose the only saving grace is the boards are okay, but exactly. Oh, still got a shell on there, look. Jesus, look at it. Motor racing, you see. God, I hate engines. Never mind. Have I got enough time to take the timing chain off? Well, no, I think I'm going to save that for next week, to be honest. So if you have any comments or advice for me, leave them in the comments below with your knock knock joke, of course. And I'll see you next week.